Vikas, I've started investing recently. How often should I be checking my investments?
Good question, Sapna. You don't need to check them too frequently.
Really? I thought I had to track them all the time.
It's tempting, especially with market updates everywhere. But frequent checking can lead to unnecessary worry.
So, when should I review them?
A quick review once in a while is a good practice. It helps you stay aligned with your plans.
That sounds manageable. So, the idea is to stay informed, not reactive.
Exactly, Sapna. Let the investments run their course. Just keep an eye on whether they still suit your goals. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.